What's up, guys? Today I wanted to make a really quick video about the Stanley hand tool warranty, and I thought it was pretty cool because I have this spark plug socket, and what happened to it is that the little rubber that goes inside of it, you know, after a couple of uses it got messed up, especially because this particular time I just sprayed WD-40 on it without thinking about the rubber, and it just tore it up. Anyway, so I went online to stanleytools.com, and there's this spot right there that it says contact us. You click right there, and then it asks you to input your information and the tool information as well. And they have different warranties for different tools. Like, this is part of the mechanics tools. I do believe all the mechanics tools have a full lifetime warranty. There's other tools that they have either 1 year or 3-year warranties, depending. Anyway, back to this one. So I input the information, what it was, and this was actually a 3-piece set. It was part of a 3-piece set, and I just input the information and then input this number right here that it says on it. In this case, it's 86380. And then it asked me for a picture, so I pretty much just put these two together and then took a picture of it. And then it asked what was wrong with it. Well, the socket works great, and the only part wrong is the rubber part of it. But, you know, without the rubber, the spark plug socket doesn't, it's just a regular socket after that. So I let them know in the description and then sent it. And the very next day I received a reply, and they told me that this did qualify for a warranty, and they would be sending it out in the mail, and it should arrive within 7 to 10 business days. And then, so this was last week on Saturday, I believe, and today's Saturday, so 7 days later, here's my brand new socket. I'm kind of surprised that they actually sent out the entire socket with the rubber. They could have just as easily given me this little insert, but I'm glad they did. I mean, now I have a perfectly good 5/8 socket, and I have a brand new 5/8 spark plug socket. Again, this was just a really quick video. I just wanted to make it just for people wondering if Stanley Tools stood by their tools, and apparently they do. So I guess the tools are made in Taiwan. That's pretty much as good as Harbor Freight for certain things, whether you want to buy it at Walmart or Lowe's or wherever they sell Stanley tools. I mean, it's a good buy for what it is. So this was just my experience, and hopefully you guys have a good one too. See you guys later.